Discord has just released Discord Private Profile feature. This will help you to keep your profile private from the suspicious servers and the people who you want to keep your profile private from. Now simply go to your user settings, click Data and Privacy. You should be able to see all the options about Discord Private Profile feature. First is Friends and All Servers.
If you leave that toggle on, everybody can be able to see your Discord profile, aka your friends, non-friends, and your server members. Then you can go to the list of servers and choose which server you want to keep your profile private or public. Let's say you turn off a toggle next to a server, your profile will be private to the members of that specific server. Now the second option, Friends and Small Servers Only, is the opposite of the first option. Here, they make your profile private in all the servers by default. Then, you go to the list and pick the server where you want to keep your profile public. Now I think it's better. And last but not least, Friends Only. It's pretty self-explanatory. This means only your friends, aka the ones who you've added to your friends list, can see your profile. Now, if you made your profile private but want to make it public again, either you select Friends and Small Servers Only and select the server where you want to keep your profile public, or go to the first option, Friends and All Servers, and keep your profile to public in all servers. Now, what exactly are they keeping private in your profile? Yeah, of course, my About Me section and pronoun sections are private, but username is still there, which is okay. When I scroll down a bit, I can see that my YouTube connection is also private. But I low-key wish my profile picture could also be private. That would be a big help than anything. Now you know what's really free? Yeah, server decor and layouts. You can join my Discord server to get free decor and layouts, and maybe some resources to decorate your profile. If you don't want all that, it's alright. Just join us to make new friends. We'll be waiting for you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and help it reach the people who genuinely need free Nitro but haven't been fortunate enough.